What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and happy October. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've been on here mukbanging it, but you know me, I take little breaks here and there, and then I come back and I hit you back with another video. So here I is. Welcome, and like always, remember to thumbs up this video, comment down below. Also, remember to smash that subscribe button, turn on that post notifications, so whenever I do hit you with the new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Alright, like I said, I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm having with you guys a homemade pizza. I bought these pizza crusts. I believe they're called Mama Mia brand from Walmart. They're like $2.50. They look really good. They're a little bit more thicker. First time trying them, usually I get the boba lee crust. Also just got me a simple salad, lots of cucumber, and I got me these the Del Monte mandarin oranges, but they're sugar free. Bombs. Okay, just a little light something. And I always got me my coldest water bottle, because you know, like always, you know the vibe. Got me my coldest water bottle here. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Oh, for my salad, I'm using this Ken's light raspberry walnut vinaigrette. This right here is fucking bomb. Sorry for my language, but I gotta keep it 100. You just gotta shake it a little bit. It is bomb, and it's only 80 calories and 7 grams of sugar. This, if you're looking for like a good light salad dressing, I swear by this one. Try it. Really good. Try this pizza. Okay, so on it, just kept it simple, is chicken and olives. First time trying this crust. Not bad. The crust is pretty good. Has a good light flavor to it. It has that oven taste, that oven roasted taste to it. Not bad. Y'all, this month has already started off crazy, right? I mean, it's not even been a full 2 weeks into the damn month, and it's crazy. And if you're not keeping up with the news and what's going on, let somebody in the comments explain to you what's going on right now. I mean, craziness. And the only reason why I don't want to say I mean, I don't care. I just don't want to get too political on the channel, you know? Because sometimes we just need a break from that. And I know a lot of you tune in here to get a break from the reality. You know, just have a good time. You guys gotta try these oranges. And you can't even tell the difference that they're sugar-free. To see the ooey gooey syrup. It's been really nice these past couple of days. Like, it's been a dramatic change. Just 4 days ago, it was still in the 90s, like the upper 90s, and now it's like in the 70s, like 75, 78. Amazing. When I take my walks in the morning, because I like to start my morning taking a walk. You know, clearing the mind. It feels so good. I recommend anybody out there watching, you know, if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling just stressed, period, you know, take a walk. It will definitely clear your mind. Put on your music. Take a walk around your neighborhood. It will be the best thing. So every morning, like 6, 7-ish, excuse me, I like to get up and start off my morning with the walk. And then I like to end my night like 8, 9-ish, another walk. Just take a big old bite. You know, I want to try something different than pepperoni. I was gonna put onions on it, but the onion I got was like bad. Yeah, it wasn't a good onion, so. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know how your month is already starting off. Let me know if you guys are ready for fall. I'm going to keep it honest. I love fall. And I can't wait for the weather to change. But honestly, this fall, winter, we need to be safe. Okay? We need to be safe. We need to hunker down. Because COVID is, despite what many think, it's still around, and it's actually increasing. But my point is, so comes fall, winter, comes flu season. So you know, we just got to be safe. We got to stay healthy, and you know, the more we can stay inside, the better. And I'm using the Prego. I use the Prego spaghetti sauce, not the pizza sauce. Really good. Yeah, I'm bummed. I'm bummed because this week would have been the start of our county fair. And it's usually a big deal around this time, you know, for the 2 weeks. We look forward to the food, the rides, but actually starting today, what they did here is they're setting up all the food vendors, and they're doing drive-thrus where you can buy the food. And what they did is they set up entertainment, so when you go and buy, they still have like the clowns and the people going by entertaining you while you wait. But you know, it's a whole different vibe from when you go to the fair. Just a reminder that what's going on right now is really real. You feel me? It's really real. That it's nothing to take lightly. But there's next year. You gotta have faith, you know. 1 year, it'll be all right. My boy's getting full. Yeah, boy. Y'all, I'm full. That was actually pretty damn good. Okay, so I definitely, if you go to Walmart and you want to make your pizza, and they're $2.50, and it comes with 3 crusts. You don't want to have an easy dinner or lunch to make. You want to make a pizza, get them, try it. It's called Mamma Mia crust. That's the brand. It's the Mamma Mia pizza crust. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I missed y'all. For this month, I want to do a lot more videos this month. More comfort foods. You know, it's gonna get that time of the year. When you put shit in the crock pot, just keep it easy, like a pot roast. I may be making tamales. Don't hold me to it. It's a possibility. Don't know yet. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna let you go. Remember to thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Also, remember to smash that subscribe button if you're watching and not yet part of the fam. Also, remember to turn on your post notifications, alright? And I'll see you next video. Much love. Peace.